Having a side hustle is the first step toward controlling what work you want to do and from where you want to do it. And side hustles come in many forms, but in this video, I want to share with you what I call the trifecta of side hustle. 3 categories of online work that can be done alone, but have synergy if 2 or more are done together. One of the best ways to start your journey away from an office job is to start freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru offer nearly limitless types of services for people and businesses around the world. Here you can charge others for the skills you have, and if you don't think you have skills, well, learn a few. It's really not that difficult. Freelancing platforms offer services like graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video, animation, programming, and virtual assistant services, to name a few. Choose a platform and go through the process of creating your profile, and then you'll pretty much be ready to start taking on clients. However, our next 2 options are more passive income, and this is where you build something in the beginning, you put in your time and effort, and then it starts to pay off and continues to do so even after you've stopped working. So if you can charge someone for freelancing, whatever services you might offer as a freelancer, well, you can probably, I'd say you can certainly teach those as well. This is your chance to help others through online courses. Just like freelancing, there are several platforms to host your online courses, and some are much more difficult than others. So let's go straight to the platform that I think is best for you to host online courses, because it's simple to set up and you don't have to go through the hassle of marketing your courses. And that platform is Skillshare. I've been teaching there for years and absolutely love it. Not only do I teach there, I'm also a member because they have so many great courses that I can learn from and provide value from what I learn on that platform. And on Skillshare, you're not paid as you would expect as an instructor. Someone doesn't purchase your course and you get a percentage. Instead, it's membership based, which is a fantastic business model. So anyone who's a member can watch your course without an added fee. The way you're paid on Skillshare is for every minute watched. And that number can grow quickly into the tens of thousands of minutes, and that's passive income. Once you've posted a course, it takes a little time, but it starts building up speed. It's like the snowball effect. And the more popular it gets, the higher ranked it becomes, and then more people watch your course, leading to more minutes watched and more money in the bank. It all depends on what courses you choose to teach and how often you upload. Check out my own profile on Skillshare and browse the site itself to get familiar with it. Links are in the description. Clearly, you are familiar with YouTube. It's the most time-consuming, the most difficult, but it has the most earning potential. Most people think you make your money from what's called the YouTube Partner Program. This is where you get your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So from there, your channel becomes quote-unquote monetized, allowing you to earn income from advertisements placed on your videos. But this actually has the lowest earning potential, believe it or not. Actually, there are several methods to earn passive income on YouTube. Others include affiliate links. You can partner with affiliate programs like Amazon, and if someone clicks a link on your YouTube description, you get a percentage of anything they purchase. And that's just one example of possible affiliate links. There are several out there. There's also the possibility of sponsorships. It's common once a channel has a significant viewership for companies to ask YouTubers to sponsor certain products or services. Those companies then pay YouTubers a specific amount, which is negotiable, usually in the thousands, to sponsor their products or services in that one video. Additionally, you can sell your own products and services on YouTube. For example, if you create some sort of digital product like an online course or templates, or just about anything you can sell online. There are all kinds of possibilities if you're willing to put in the time and effort to build your YouTube channel. So why do I call this the trifecta of side hustles? The answer is that you can do all three around the same topic, industry, or skill you focus on. And in doing so, they can feed each other. Let's say you started freelancing by helping people with their graphic design needs. You could build courses that helped others learn how to use or master certain graphic design software on Skillshare. And your YouTube channel could be around making interesting types of design. Furthermore, your YouTube channel could promote your Skillshare courses and guide clients to use your services as a freelancer. But that's just one example. What other ways would you use this side hustle trifecta? Let me know in the description. And since freelancing is the easiest to set up and the quickest to pay, check out this video right here on Fiverr.